Leave or leave. And man, I gotta put this out there, man, to whoever it may apply. Even the first time, my first hit song, I was alone. I ain't did shit for one man from start to end. Name me a song that Big Zulu has done on his own that is not a diss track, and it was a hit. I'll wait. I make better music than you. Yeah, I won more awards than you'll ever win in your life. Biza ngepara. Don't even know my level yet. Lama dreads wakanukayo nwagezani singisela ngama dreads la backstage emashowini. Nyawaza amapara. You ever seen a para this handsome? Come on, man. Imi para. Enugezani lama dreads wakanukayo. Umyogeza ngibona mina nguphi. Look, it's like once people start hating on me, they devote themselves to hating on me, even if I'm doing the right thing. Years ago, you were feeling fresh there, not even wanting to talk to niggas. Back to the city, 2011, 2012, looking like a superstar, nigga. And I surpassed your bitch ass. Yeah. Y'all know that picture where he was wearing my t-shirt, right? Man, that nigga a fan, man. That nigga a fan, man. Ela se para kutuba, não se para. He knows exactly the para. That's super cassating that shit to me. Mantolo tough guy over there. What are we talking about? I'm about to drop an album. This track won't stop me from dropping my album. I never did nothing to the nigga. He started off with the Mercedes. I kept quiet. Now he's coming back again, calling me names.
Emtee. Uthuzula kana hit Dago mutu mkhuhlane unepapa lasilelini.
In fact, I'ma sue this son of a bitch. Fuck this nigga, man. I'ma sue this nigga. Fuck him. I ain't did shit to you, nigga. What I do to you? You think you're not loyal up? You think you don't have money? Out there in jail, like, what are we talking about? No, I'm not dissing anybody back, man. I got kids. I don't do this and I don't put my brothers down. I don't do none of that. This track for what? I'm empire, nigga. I'm international. This track, that's some backpack shit. Killer MC, backpack, heyo type shit. I ain't one of them. I mean, I'm a trapper, nigga. I sell you whatever and still make a hit. Tough guy over there. I don't fuck with niggas.